Hi everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you a summer facial peel for brighter, smoother, and glowing skin, so stay tuned. Thank you all for joining me today. I wanted to take a quick moment to thank all of my new subscribers. Sozabella is all about beauty on the inside and out. I've been a licensed esthetician for over 20 years. I love helping people improve their skin. I've also researched health and wellness for a number of years. But today I'm going to be talking about giving yourself a summer facial peel for smoother, brighter, and glowing skin. And I thought I would do it today because today I just gave myself a summer facial peel. And I wanted to share with you what I did and then what I'm going to do live here after I have completed the facial peel. So first off, I want to say if you are under the care of a dermatologist or you have an esthetician, obviously they know more of your history, so it's a good idea to talk to them first. This is great for pretty much all skin types. It's going to help refine the texture of your pores. It's going to help slough off the dead skin cells and give your skin just a really beautiful glow. And then I'm going to show you what I do after this peel, but first let me show you what I've already done today. So the first thing that I did after I cleansed my skin, I used this AHA BHA Cleanser. It's a combination of lactic acid, glycolic acid, and salicylic acid, along with aloe vera and some hydrators. So this is self-timed. It's nothing really strong or anything. It's sort of like a prep before you do a peel. And then I went ahead and did the Juice Beauty Apple Full Strength Peel. Now, if you have sensitive skin, you don't want to use this. I would suggest you use the sensitive version of their apple peel, okay? So I'm going to link all of this down in the description for you. The first one is a great prep. It's also great if you have acneic or congested type of skin. This will really help to clean out the pores with the salicylic acid. The lactic is very brightening to the skin, and the glycolic is also the smallest molecule of all the alpha hydroxy acids, which helps to, smooth the fine lines and wrinkles. So they're all really anti-aging as well as helping with acne or congested pores. The next thing I did was put on the Juice Beauty apple peel. And I went ahead and left this on my skin for another 10 to 20 minutes. Go ahead and rinse it off. But that's what I went ahead and did. You can see right now I have a nice glow to my skin. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is I have some sun damage here from when I was much younger. And sometimes you get sun damage from when you were a kid and it eventually pops up. I have a spot corrector treatment that I'm going to be applying to those areas, as well as I have this really great product that I like. It's by Astrowood Naturals, and it's a blend of Matrixyl 3000, arginine, a stable form of vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. So it's full of peptides, full of antioxidants and hydrators. So I'm going ahead and putting that on all over my face and neck, along with a 0.25 derma roller. So a 0.25 is great for enhancing the product penetration of your serums. 0.25 is fine to use once to twice a week for product penetration. That's not to be confused with a 0.5 or higher derma roller that you really only want to be doing every 4 to 6 weeks to help with stimulating collagen production in the skin, okay? And then I'm going to be finishing with this wonderful sheet mask I found that is full of hydration. It also has some peptides in it, brighteners, collagen in it, which is really more of a topical hydrator, hyaluronic acid, which attracts 1,000 times its weight in water to your skin. So this is a great finishing product after I've just done the facial peel, and then along with these treatments that I'm going to do. So I wouldn't do any strong peels over the summer months. You also want to make sure that you are always wearing a sunscreen 365 days of the year, especially during the summer months, but even during the days where there isn't any sun, those ultraviolet aging rays, the UVA rays, which causes aging, are always out, even when it's cloudy. So make sure you wear a good sunscreen of at least SPF 30. I like to use also a physical sunscreen that has like titanium dioxide in it. One that I found that I like is by Burt's Bees. It has an SPF 30. It also has anti-aging properties in it as well. But I will link to a few different sunscreens that I like. If you have a darker skin tone, then you sometimes have to be careful with the titanium dioxide because it is a physical sunscreen versus a chemical sunscreen, which sometimes can give your skin a weird look after. So I wouldn't probably recommend this for darker skin tones, but I will also link some recommendations for you as well. So there's something for everybody in this treatment. Okay, so what I went ahead and did is the first thing with the BHA Cleanser, you apply this on a cotton ball all over your skin and your face, as well as your neck and your décolleté. And it's usually done in about a minute or two. Following, I applied the Juice Beauty facial peel. You have the full strength or the sensitive version. I again applied that all over my face, my neck, and my décolleté. After 10 minutes, you go ahead and rinse that off with warm water. Now, next, what I'm going to be doing is applying a spot treatment for any hyperpigmentation. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I have a little bit right here, 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 and then a little bit from here on sun damage. Okay, so you put that on, let it sit for 30 seconds or so, let it dry. Next, I'm going to be applying this. This is a super anti-aging serum. It's pretty affordable. I got all of this stuff on Amazon, so I will leave the links for you below. It's got a lot of powerful peptides in here, a stable form of vitamin C, which is magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. It has hyaluronic acid in it, which is a great hydrator. It attracts 1,000 times its weight in water to your skin. So it's really packed full of a lot of anti-aging ingredients. So now that that has kind of dried, I'm gonna go and take a whole thing of that and put it all over my face and neck. I do put it under the eyes too. And then I put it on the décolleté, okay? So put that on. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the derma roller. Okay, so the derma roller, this is a 0.25. I usually replace my derma roller about every 3 months. And you can do a 0.25 once to twice a week. And the way we're gonna be doing this is in each area, we're gonna be going vertically, horizontally, and diagonally. I usually do this in sections. And so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the forehead first. So basically you're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, and I'm gonna speed this up. And now horizontally. And diagonal, here we go. All right, now I'm gonna be doing under the eyes. And obviously be careful around your eye areas, but just pull the skin down a little bit so you can still apply under the eye area, but you're gonna be doing it along that orbital bone right here, okay? So here we go. I also like to do on the eyebrow and right on the brow bone Again, you're working around your eyes, so please be very careful around your eyes, but up above here, right on the crease and above, I like to go over that gently. You don't necessarily have to do 10 times. I do anywhere from 5 to 10 times. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and do the neck real quick. I like to keep my neck stretched up so the skin is more taut. Okay, so I did that section here, then I'm gonna go below it. I'm doing about 5 up and down real quick. All right, and now we're gonna go this way. I'm not really pressing hard at all. You just let the roller do its work, okay? So you're not like pushing it. You're just letting the roller roll. And then you can do, of course, a little bit on your décolleté too. This is definitely getting all the circulation coming to your skin as well. Now I'm also lifting up slightly each time I move. I'm not keeping it always on the skin, so you kind of want to lift it as you're moving to each section. And then we'll just do this way real quick. So this is creating little micro channels in the skin. And again, with the 0.25, it's just really for better product penetration. So I'm now going to apply this anti-aging serum again that has all the peptides, the vitamin C, and the hyaluronic acid in it, okay? So we'll just do this really quick. Just going right there. I need a little more for my neck. Now, if you have really sensitive skin, I would not be doing this. I would do the derma rolling, but just use a basic hyaluronic acid with the product, because that's just gonna help to hydrate your skin. Some of these active ingredients in this anti-aging serum might be too much for you. So the mask should be fine for you. These masks I found on Amazon, I got a whole package of them, I think of like 10, really cheap. But I really love the ingredients. I'm all about ingredients. They're full of hydrators to help draw moisture to the skin, as well as it has one peptide and aloe vera, very healing. Also some botanicals to help soothe and calm down the skin. So this is what I'm gonna go ahead and finish with now after applying that. And let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section. So this is a great thing you can do over these summer months. It's nothing too intense, but it's definitely an anti-aging protocol that you can do right now. So here is my oh, and it also has a soluble collagen in it, which is more actually just for hydration, because the collagen molecule is too large to actually penetrate the skin. That's why we are doing the antioxidants and the peptides to help stimulate the collagen and elastin. Okay, so here we go. Let's get that. I like to get that right there. Okay guys, so that's it. There is a little bit of more moisture from the mask, so I'm gonna get that and put it all over my neck and décolleté area. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave this on for about 10 to 20 minutes. And then I will show you how my skin looks after. And then now, the following day, this is great. I love to do this kind of treatment at night, and then you can just sleep and let your skin do all of its healing and everything. And then the morning, when you wake up, you're gonna notice you have a beautiful glow to your skin. You know, obviously the next day, or if you do this during the day, make sure you have a good, strong sunscreen on. Always. All right, so I will see you once this mask is done, and I'll show you the results after the mask. Hey everyone, I'm back. I had the mask on for about 20 minutes, and while I had the mask on, I thought, might as well grab some lunch while the mask is working. And what do you know? I accidentally spilt something on my pink shirt, so hence why I have a different shirt on. Go figure. Anyway, I went ahead and took the mask off after 20 minutes and did not rinse it off because you still want those ingredients to keep working. If it were at night, which is when I generally prefer to do this, you can put on a nice little moisturizer over it. That would be fine, or just go to bed with all your serums on. But because I am filming this during the day, I went ahead after the mask to layer on my 30 SPF sunscreen. If you've never done derma rolling before, you want to make sure you only use it on your skin. Don't share it with other people. And after each use, you want to sanitize it with 91% alcohol. Then just shake it out, lay it back in its case, and then let it air dry, and you will be good to go for the next time. I always keep mine inside the case just to protect it because you don't want to damage any of the needles. That is it for today. I'm going to be sharing a lot more fun skin tips for you for anti-aging and acne and hyperpigmentation. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I appreciate it. Please drop me a comment, leave me any questions you might have, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Have a great day.